Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how the webinar works. So let's log in now. Let us enter webinar details from the webinar admin. Let's add a record. Let's enter the course ID as Bachelor's of Business Administration. Let's enter subject ID as Business Design. Let's enter chapter ID as Chapter 1. Let's enter the topic ID as Flow of Design. Let's enter the schedule date. Let's enter today's date. That's 24/03/2016. Let's enter number of parts. Number of parts is basically how many episodes each webinar is having. So let's enter number of parts as 2. Interval between each part is say 1 minute. Period of each part, let's say 5 minutes, and let's choose the mentor ID as Devesh Bhatia. Let's save a record. Save it successfully. So we have entered record for webinar ID 23. So let's see whether it's saved. So here it is. Number 23. So let's generate a schedule now for webinar number 23. So here we choose the webinar. So let's enter from 23 to 23. So there it is. So these are all the details of the webinar. So let's enter the video format. These are the 4 video formats. So currently I'm using .mp4. So let's generate the schedule. So here it is, it has generated the schedule. So here we see part 1 and part 2, and this is how it generates basically the whole of the URL which can so once we finish this, then we need to upload actually. So let's go to upload. Let's choose webinar number 23. So there it is. So let's upload part 1 and part 2 and advertisement as well. So here it is, part 1. File uploaded successfully. So let's do it for part 2 as well. File uploaded successfully. So let's upload the advertisement as well. File uploaded successfully. So we have uploaded part 1, part 2 and advertisement. So now we need to go to Digi Online, which will be viewed by students. So let's go to Digi Online now. So for getting into Digi Online, we need to go to the Digi Online portal first, which is this. So here it is. So let's go to login and sign up. So let's go to this option, click here for seeing it in browser. So this opens Digi Online. So Digi Online is nothing but it is for students. So let's register basically a student. So let's enter title is Mr. Satish K. Roy. Gender is male. Date of birth is 13th of August 1980. Country is from India. State is Maharashtra. City is Aurangabad. Mobile number is +91 93234578. Email db@db.com. Password, let's enter the password as R ROY ROY. Let's enter school, university. Let's enter institution as Magadhan University. Let's enter year completed as 1995. Let's save a record. Saved successfully. So this is student ID number 6. So let's log in with student ID number 6 and password as Roy. So let's log in. So here it is. So what we have to do now is first enroll. So student would enroll first into the webinar, into the course basically. So let's add a record. So here it is, student ID number 6. Let's enter the course as Bachelor of Business Administration. Let's enter the subject as Business Design. Let's enter chapter. It's chapter 01. Flow of design. Let's enter the enrollment date as today's date. That's 24/03/2016. Let's save the transaction. Saved successfully. So then we get into booking. So let's enter the schedule date from 24/03/2016 to 24/03/2016. Let's retrieve a record. So here it is, webinar ID number 23, Bachelor of Business Administration, Flow of Design, Mr. Devesh Bhatia. So now we need to book the selected row. So book successfully. Once we do this, then we go to program and we click on today's program. So here we see this. Part 1 advertisement, part 2 and all these. So these are nothing but part 1 and part 2 are uploaded files, so which may be either pre-recorded or even live. You could run these parts even if the lecturer is giving the lectures live. So let's click on part 1. So here it is playing a video now.
I'm going to show you a demo on multi-level deviations. In this multi-level deviations demo,
so that's what it is basically. So that's the way it works. So these are all uploaded files basically. Part 1, part 2 advertisement, everything is uploaded. So they can either be pre-recorded or it can even be live. For having a live webinar, we need to have very strong network basically. So if you are connected to things like VSAT or something, then live would be possible. and we could see the audio visuals live basically. So we can have a live webinar. So that's what is it all about. So I'm ending the seminar. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the discussion. Thanks. Bye.